Hello friends, here we will learn Theorem 10.2 Standard 10 Mathematics. Theorem 10.1 and Theorem 10.2 both are important for the board examination. Out of these two theorem, one will definitely ask in the board examination in 3 to 4 mark question. Let's see the statement of the theorem 10.2. The length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. It means a circle is given, the point which is outside the circle is given, then you know that we can draw two tangent to the circle from the exterior point. So here we have drawn two tangent. So what we have to prove that the tangent drawn from the external points of the circle are equal, means the distance of these two tangents are equal. What is given? It is data P is the point lying in the exterior of the circle with center O. P is taken outside the circle with center O. Tangent from point P to the circle touches the circle at Q and R. As you know that from the exterior point we can draw two tangents. So we have drawn two tangent. So this two tangent, one is touching to the circle at point Q and another one is touching to point R. Now what we have to prove? Both are equal. We have to prove that PQ is equal to PR, means this distance PQ and PR both are equal. So let's start with proof. In proof, what do we do? First of all, we will join OP. This one I will join OP, OQ and OR. This is already done, but we'll write it. Join OP, OQ and OR. This is all three we have to join. According to theorem 10.1, you know that it is the theorem which said 10.1 that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It means if we draw the tangent, then whatever the radius we will draw, then it is always perpendicular to the radius. The tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. So in that way we can say that OQP angle OQP is having the same measure which is equal to we can say ORP, angle ORP. Why is it so? That we should write it as per theorem. Both are right angles. Why both are equal? Because both are right angles as per theorem 10.1. What does the theorem 10.1 say? That tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So in that way we can say that angle, this one, that angle OQP is equal to angle ORP. OQP is equal to ORP. Both are right angle as per theorem 10.1. Now let's go ahead. If we will compare these two triangle, one triangle is this and another one is this. So I can say in triangle OQP and triangle ORP, if we compare, then first of all we will see that here this angle and this angle both are right angle as per the theorem. We have seen this both are equal. So I can write it again. OQP is equal to angle ORP. Why? Because both are right angle as per theorem 10.1. This is done. Now another thing that you can see, it is this one OP. For this particular triangle, OP is the hypotenuse, and for this triangle also OP is a hypotenuse. You know what is hypotenuse? The side opposite to the right angle is called as the hypotenuse. So here this side OP is hypotenuse for this triangle as well as for this triangle too. So I can say that OP is equal to OP. Why? Because it is common side for both the triangles. It is common side. And the third one, that OQ is equal to OR, both are the radiuses. You can see this and this are the radius of the same circle. So I can say OQ is equal to OR, radii of the same circle. So you can see for this particular triangle, this is right angle, this is right angle. So I can say R, right angle, right angle. OP is the common side for both of them, and both for this OP is a hypotenuse for this triangle also and for this triangle also. So it is hypotenuse H, and the other side, this one and this one, both are the radiuses. So side, so we can say that this right angle and this right angle are equal. This OP is equal to OP because it is the common side. OP is equal to OP, and OQ is equal to OR, both are the radiuses. So as per RHS, we can say as per RHS, both the triangles are congruent triangles. So I can say that triangle OQP is equal to triangle ORP. Sorry, we'll write equal, but not to be write it equal, it is congruent. Always if it is triangle, we did not to write equal, but it is congruent. This is a symbol of congruent. So OQP is congruent to ORP. Why is it so? That also will mention over here, as because as per RHS. You can say as per RHS, both the triangles are congruent. If it is so, this side and this sides are equal measure. This side is common to it. So the remaining side, this one and this one will also becomes equal. So in that way, I can say that PQ, this one, this and PR, both are also equal. PR. This is what we wanted to prove. Hence this way we can prove it easily. So this is quite easy theorem. So prepare theorem 10.1, 10.2 and theorem 6.1, fundamental theorem of proportionality. Out of these three theorems, if you prepare well, then you should get at least 8 to 10% marks in board examination. So all the best for your board examination. Thank you so much.